trigonometry. Prove that one minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 2 whole into 1 plus cos theta whole into 1 minus sin theta. So first we will start from the LHS side. What is written in the LHS? 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b plus c whole square. So what is the formula for a minus b plus c whole square? This one we can write as a plus minus b plus c whole square. Then what is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? The formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 whole into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Now it will become a square plus b square plus c square minus into plus it will become minus 2ab minus into plus it will become minus 2bc plus 2ca. Then this one we can write as a 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. It will become 1 plus a means here 1, b means sin theta, so sin theta whole square plus cos theta whole square minus 2 into 1 into sin theta minus 2 into bc means 2 into sin theta into cos theta, then plus 2ca, that means 2 into cos theta into 1. Now it became 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus 1 became 2. 2 minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus